In order to fix Quick Share not working on Samsung Galaxy A17, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here, we're gonna choose connected devices, and then at the top we have Quick Share. Now, in order to make sure that Quick Share is working, first of all, we can go to Who Can Share With You, and probably have this option set to contacts only, so just to be sure that everyone can, well, the other device can actually detect ours, we can switch to everyone, and by default we also have this option selected only for 10 minutes, but if you need more time, then of course we can uncheck this option, but later on you can try to remember to turn it back off to contacts only, for example, if you don't want to stay visible to everyone all the time. Besides that, we also have this option, allow sharing over internet, so you can try to turn it on in case Quick Share is not working properly. And over here we also have use Wi-Fi only, which can also be used in case you don't want to use the mobile data. However, if you don't have access to Wi-Fi, then of course this can be the reason why Quick Share is not working properly. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.